Guys, and welcome back. It's been a while since I've seen you guys, and I'm super excited to see you guys on Zoom. Tomorrow is what we're playing on, so I hope that you'll be able to jump on and I'll be able to talk with you guys, see you guys, because I miss you guys. It's not the same. And I know it's a whole new atmosphere, whole new environment. You guys are working from home. You're in my home now. That's a little creepy. But I hope that you guys are enjoying it and making the best of it. And I hope that you're staying encouraged. And I know it can be discouraging, not being able to go outside, not seeing friends, not being able to do stuff. But I don't want it to be discouraging. I hope that you're making the best of it. And I hope that you're really using this time to focus most of all spiritually. And I hope that we are able to encourage ourselves in the Lord, just like David did. If you read through David's life, the scripture says that he encouraged himself in the Lord. And we can find that encouragement in God. And I hope that we can be that example and that testimony to others through this difficult time. So I'm super excited to see you guys. As I mentioned with the Zoom, tomorrow I'll post a link a little before 1 o'clock so that you go into the discussion post that I've been posting and you click on that link and it'll send you to the Zoom and we'll be able to talk there. So I hope that you guys will be able to. It's not a grade or anything, just to be able, just so we can see each other. So I do want to discuss one thing with Edmodo. I know some have had some difficulties uploading the assignment, so I wanted to show you that right now. Um, and hopefully it will be a help too. So right now you can see my screen and I've logged in as a student. You'll see that the attendance posts are absolutely necessary in order to get marked present. So please make sure that you are marking yourself present. But right below that, you'll see that there's homework due. Now, um, in that homework, if you click more replies, and you'll see the two links that we're supposed to do, the two activity ones that we're supposed to do. So I'm going to click one, and it's going to take me to this website called After School Help. And you'll notice this assignment is writing expressions and equations, which there is a 2-minute video at the very bottom to explain how it's done. But I want you to do these 10 questions over here on the side. You can watch a video that will help you, but what you need to do is the 10 questions. When you click start, it'll take you through each one. And then at the very end, you'll see a summary page, which is here. Now, this summary page is what I'd like you to take a picture of, which if you have a Windows, then you can hold the start button or the window button and then press the PRTSC. There, I pressed the window button. But if you find on your keyboard PRTSC stands for print screen. So hold the window button and then press print screen. And there you may have seen the computer flash. It just took a picture of the screen, and we'll see that in a little bit. So then after you complete this first one, then go back to your Fundamentals of Math Edmodo, and then you click the second topic. And you'll see it's a completely different topic, looks very similar, but notice the title is different, Solving One-Step Equations. Yes, because the other one was Written Expressions and Equations. So here you have a 2-minute video as well, and then you have 12 questions that when you click start, once you finish, then you're going to get the summary page. Now, this is the one summary that I did. After you complete this one, you'll see a summary with this title on it. I hope that's not confusing. But you'll want to take a picture of this summary again, which I will. And then now I have the two pictures that I need to upload. So let's go back to Edmodo. And once I'm ready to submit the assignment, which I've already done, so I have to click resubmit, you're going to see this blank submission screen. You want to go to attach a file from your computer. Now, if you took it on your phone, you're going to have to put that picture from your phone onto your computer. Because then from there, you'll go to your pictures. Now, here I have my two screenshots, so I can only do one at a time. I'll do the first screenshot I took first, so I'll do screenshot 5. I'll open it, and there it is. And then I want to attach my second one. My second one is the screenshot 6 that I took. And I know it looks like the same one. It's because I took a picture of the same summary page. It's okay. But yours should say solving one-step equations and should be the written expressions and equations. So you should have both screenshots telling me your activity summary, that you have completed them both. And then once you have finished, then you'll scroll down to the very bottom and then you will turn in the assignment. Click turn in, and there you have submitted your assignment that's due tomorrow. And I hope this helps. I know you may have more questions, or this may not be very thorough enough. I've tried to make it as thorough as possible, but if you still need help, please reach out to me. You can email me, you can call me. My extension is 82201 if you call the school. That's my extension. So please reach out. And if you have any questions or concerns, whether or not it's this, submitting the assignment, or anything else, please let me know. I'm here for you guys, and I want you guys to ask me any questions that you have. But I'm super excited for the Zoom tomorrow. Hope that you'll be able to join us at 1 o'clock tomorrow. Have a great day.